Hi, my name is Kerry, and my daughter Cecilia took AP Comparative Government and Politics at the Compass School in order to prepare for her AP exam. A really good experience with Dr. Harris. She's been able to help Cecilia get a good handle on a broad subject matter in a
Yeah.
short period of time, and um, as well as been helpful in helping Cecilia prepare for the actual AP exam because Dr. Harris also is a AP grader. So in addition to the fundamental concepts, there's been some focus on, you know, taking the exam and doing well.
How do you feel Dr. Harris's support has impacted Cecilia's learning?
It's had a big impact. She's getting a lot more confident as we get ready for the tests. She's understanding the concepts, talking about the concepts at the dinner table, and
Mm.
I hear her interacting with Dr. Harris in a very organic way.
As a parent, what inspired you to enroll her in the supplemental class at the Compass School?
The goal is to have Cecilia get a good score on the AP comparative government test. Cecilia is going to be going to school in Europe, and the schools, they don't have like ACT or SAT requirements, but many of them do have AP requirements, and you have to get a 4 or better. So it's a pretty high bar. I researched and was looking around for options for her, and this was the best option that I could find in that she gets to learn the material and practice some of the test taking skills required, to do well. Some of the other options, there's almost like a free program where you can watch lectures on this subject, but that would just be totally self-directed. The other thing I like too is that at the end of the day, she also gets credit for the course, that she has, an extra course on her transcript. And there are other kind of professional test preparation courses that
Yeah.
don't give you the fundamental knowledge, which I feel like, or I felt like wasn't really preparing her. You need to know how to take the test, I understand, but you also need to have a concrete understanding of the subject matter. And when I worked with the administrators, Peter Ross specifically, he he listened to what the task was for us, which is, getting a score on a test. And it felt like to me that he heard what we needed and then found the right fit. So that felt really kind of like we were getting individualized service.
What are some ways that you've seen Cecilia's confidence improve since taking the classes?
The essays in this particular subject that I've seen, there are vague, and you can answer. What's interesting is you can answer basically diametrically opposed. There's not like a right answer.
Yeah.
And so it really does come down to being concise and understanding the material. Yeah, and just the way she talks about the subject matter, the way she's comfortable with it. She takes it seriously. She comes home from school and gets a snack and goes up and sits at her desk and does it. So I think the consistency of doing that 3 days a week, you know, it's hard to self-direct even if you're really motivated.
It's so hard. And when you don't have anyone holding you accountable,
Yeah.
having that accountability of a live person who's waiting for you for your class makes a huge difference.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's been invaluable, for her to be able to do that.
Do you have any advice for parents that might be considering supplemental classes at a virtual school like the Compass School?
Yeah, I mean, my advice would be, um, it's a great alternative. It's basically one-on-one teaching, and test prep at a reasonable price. Dr. Harris and Compass, they're setting her up to succeed.